Everyone says Toronto is expensive, but how expensive is it really? I just moved to Toronto and today I will show you the real prices. Hi, I'm Nia and I just moved to Toronto. Today on Persian Travelista we are diving into real prices, groceries, shopping, food, and I'll show you some of the city's beautiful spots along the way. Let's explore Toronto together. Good morning everyone, welcome back to Persian Travelista. If you're new here, I'm Nia and I just moved to Toronto. This city has been amazing so far, but there's one thing I keep hearing from everyone. Toronto is so expensive. But how expensive is it really? That's what I'm here to find out today, from groceries to shopping to food. I'm taking you with me as I explore the real cost of living in Toronto. So grab your coffee and let's dive in. First stop, groceries. I've heard food can be pricey here, but let's see what we find. Okay, so groceries are definitely more expensive than I'm used to. But I'm learning to shop smart. This shrimp and salad will make a quick snack later. Nothing fancy, but fresh and delicious. I'll write the prices of all the essentials I picked up in the description below. So check it out if you're curious about the cost of groceries here in Toronto. And if you're from Toronto or Canada, let me know in the comments. Where do you shop to save money? I'd love your tips. Before heading out, I'm making a quick meal at home because let's be honest, cooking at home feels like the best way to save money in Toronto. It's simple, fresh, and way more affordable than eating out all the time. This is one of my favorite go-to meals when I'm on the move, shrimp and salad. It's super quick to make and it keeps you fueled for the day ahead. What's your favorite quick meal to whip up when you're in a new place? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to try something new. Next up, Eaton Center. This mall is one of the most famous spots in Toronto, and I can see why. It's massive, stunning, and it has just about every store you can think of. But let's talk about those prices. To be honest, not everything here is crazy expensive. For example, I found a cute sweater at Simon's for $60. Not exactly cheap, but not over the top either. And some of the prices at Zara were actually pretty reasonable. But then you look at brands like Canada Goose and wow, those price tags are definitely on another level. I guess this is one of those places where you can find a mix of affordable and high-end options. What do you think? Are these prices normal for Toronto or am I just still adjusting? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your tips for finding good deals in the city. Even the food court here feels expensive, but it's nice to sit down and soak in the vibe of the city. Toronto has this energy that's hard to describe, but I'm so excited to be part of it. Let me know your favorite food spots in the city. I'd love to check them out. So, is Toronto expensive? Absolutely, but it's also stunning, vibrant, and full of life. I'm just starting to figure it out, and I know it's going to be a journey. Thank you so much for coming along with me today on Persian Travelista. If you're from Toronto or anywhere in Canada, please drop your tips in the comments. I'm learning so much from all of you, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so we can explore the city together. And to anyone who supported my first video, thank you so much for the kindness. You've made this transition so much easier for me. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Check out the description for the full list of grocery prices. Let's learn Toronto together. Nia, Persian Travelista.